welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute leaf appliques. I just started making them for a bag design I'm working on with the Dollar Tree yarn. If you didn't see, I have a video where I share my Dollar Tree yarn haul. I will link it here. Anyways, super simple. Just need to know Tunisian simple stitch, and you don't even need a Tunisian crochet hook. I'm using my Furls Laurel K 6.5 mm hook. I just need scissors, yarn needle, and some Dollar Tree yarn. So let's get started. So first I'm going to make a slip knot. And we are going to work 2 chains, and then I'm going to turn it around, work into my back bump like I usually do for Tunisian simple stitch. So for the foundation row, you just go into the back bump, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're just going to do a return pass, which is chain 1, and then pull through 2. And then we're going to repeat this Tunisian simple stitch row. So we're just gonna go under both the loops, yarn over, then we're gonna chain 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2. And then again we are gonna go under both loops here, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm gonna do it one more time. So we're just working under both loops, the edge stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, so we have a stem going here, and then we're going to increase, and the way we do that is we're going to go and work in between these 2 stitches. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and then I'm going to do another yarn over, and then I'm going to work into that edge stitch again. So basically we're just going under both loops like we did previously, yarn over. Now we should have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. All right, now we're going to increase again at the edges. So we're going to go into the space between these 2 bars, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And then we're going to work a simple stitch into the next 2 vertical bars. And then we are going to go into the space between this and the last edge stitch. So yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're going to work the edge stitch like we've been doing by going under both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're going to just chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 all the way across. We are going to increase again, so we're going to go into the space between these 2 bars, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we're going to work simple stitch, so go into the vertical bar, pull up a loop, go into the vertical bar, pull up a loop, continue doing that until we are at the last stitch. Then we are going to go into the space in between the stitches, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're going to work our last stitch like we usually do. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 loops on our hook. So we're going to chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, all the way across. And then this row we are just going to work simple stitch all the way across, no increases here. And then I'm going to go under the 2 loops, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, until we have 3 loops remaining. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. We are going to skip this bar here because that's part of the decreased stitch. We're going to go into the next one, yarn over, pull up a loop. We're just going to continue doing a simple stitch all the way across, and then work under both loops here. And then we're going to chain one, yarn over, pull through two, again, again until we have 3 loops on our hook. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So we're basically creating that shaping at the edge. So again, skip that decreased stitch, go into the next vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. We're going to just continue doing our simple stitch across, and then we're going to work into the edge stitch like we normally do. Chain one, yarn over, pull through two until we have 3 loops remaining. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Skip that decreased stitch, go in, yarn over, and pick up loops like we do. Work the last edge stitch, chain one, yarn over, pull through two. Again, we have 3 loops remaining. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Skip the decreased stitch again, pull up a loop again into the next 2 stitches, then work our edge stitch, chain one, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops remaining. Yarn over, pull through 3. Now I'm going to work into that skipped stitch. I'm going to go into the next vertical bar, then work your edge stitch, and then now we just have 3 loops. We're going to pull through all 3 loops and chain one to close it off. And that is our leaf. It's so cute, super simple, and you can use it as an applique. You can make a garland out of it, whatever you'd like to do. It's going to be super fun, and you just need a little bit of yarn. As I said, I'm working on a bag design that I hope to release, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the quick tutorial. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any questions. Drop a comment, comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff. You just weave in your ends and you're good to go. You can block it, or as I said, attach it to something, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.